We shall now take more exercises on standard form. In this exercise, we shall be looking at word problem leading to standard form. Question 1 says, the rate of the heartbeat per hour is 4.2 times 10 raised to the power of 3 times. How many times does the heart beat in 52 weeks? Write your answer in standard form. Solution. So we are going to analyze the question in order for us to get our answer. If per hour, that's in 1 hour, the rate of heartbeat is said to be 4.2 times 10 raised to the power of 3 times. Now we are asked to find how many times does the heart beat in 52 weeks. 52 weeks, that is 1 year. In 52 weeks, is going to be what? Now, in order for us to solve this, let's look at how many hours do we have in 52 weeks. This is equal to, in 52 weeks, we are going to have 52 times, how many hours do we have in a week? In a week is said to be 7 days, so that will be times 7 times, how many hours do we have in a week? In a day is 24 hours. So when you multiply 24 weeks times 7 days times 24 to be multiplied by 4.2 times 10 raised to the power of 3 gives you the number of hours you will get in 52 weeks. So let's solve this. This will be equal to, in 52 weeks, we are going to have 52 times 7. So when you multiply 52 by 7, it's said to be 364. So 364 times 24 times 4.2 times 10 raised to the power of 3. This is equal to, if you multiply that by 24, it gives you 8,736 days times 4.2 times 10 raised to the power of 3. So what this means is that you have 8,736 hours in 52 weeks. And when you multiply it by 4.2 times 10 raised to the power of 7, that should give you the number of heartbeats, the rate of heartbeat in 52 weeks. This will be equal to, so when you multiply 8,736 hours by 4.2, you will get 36,691.2 times 10 raised to the power of 3. Now, writing this in standard form, you are going to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4 times, leaving us with 3.66912 times 10 raised to the power of, add 4 to 3, it gives you 7. So this is the rate of heartbeat per 52 weeks. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall then take more exercises